greatest tier list ever.
The best tier list ever.
Starting off with number 1, we have 50 Cent. Of course, 50 Cent is the creator of many beloved shows, the Donkey Kong CGI show.
When I look in your eyes, I'd shower you with coconut cream pie.
Of course, also, yeah, you know what? We're just gonna put 50 Cent right in the Mark Wahlberg tier. I think that's probably where he belongs. Okay, coming up next we have Gex. Now, of course, Gex is a very beloved character in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. But of course, I think we just gotta put him in the Mario tier. You know, controversial opinion, but just seems right. Next is Wipeout, the game for the Wii. Probably put that in the GameCube tier. I'm just. We have Drain Cleaner. Obviously Gatorade tier. Truly delicious drink. I suggest it to all minors. The SNES. Oh, so perfect. I put that in the 12. Five Guys going in the Gex tier. Put the Hippo. I think I gotta put it down in the Rhino tier, obviously. Oh shoot, wait. I got a photo of
Pharrell Williams.
probably going in the Mario tier. And then James Earl Jones. Just gotta. Yeah, that's my tier list. Yeah. A lot of controversial opinions, but